Tutorial number 14, Protecting and Restricting Editing in Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word provides a powerful set of features to protect your documents and control editing access. In this tutorial, we will explore the Protect feature, focusing on blocking authors and restricting editing. Step 1. Open your document. Start by opening the Microsoft Word document you want to protect. Step 2. Navigate to the Review tab. Click on the Review tab located in the ribbon at the top of the Word window. Step 3. Select Protect Document. Under the Protect group, you will find the Protect Document option. Click on it to open the protection settings. Step 4. Choose Restrict Editing. In the Protect Document pane that appears on the right side, check the box next to Restrict Editing. This will activate the editing restrictions. Step 5. Specify editing restrictions. Now, you can choose the level of editing restrictions you want to apply. For blocking authors, you may want to select Allow only this type of editing in the document and choose No changes, Read only from the drop-down. Step 6. Set formatting restrictions, optional. If you want to control formatting as well, click on the Settings link next to the formatting options. Here, you can specify which formatting changes are allowed or prohibited. Step 7. Add exceptions, optional. If there are specific individuals or groups you want to exempt from these restrictions, you can add exceptions by clicking on the More Users link at the bottom of the Restrict Editing pane. Step 8. Password protection, optional. For an extra layer of security, you can set a password to prevent others from modifying the protection settings. Click on the Yes, Start Enforcing Protection button and enter a password. Step 9. Save changes. Click OK to apply the protection settings. Save your document to ensure that the changes are stored. Showing the Draw tab in Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word provides a customizable ribbon interface, allowing you to tailor your workspace to your specific needs. In this tutorial, we will walk through the steps to show the Draw tab by customizing the ribbon. Step 1. Open Microsoft Word. Begin by opening Microsoft Word and loading the document you want to work on. Step 2. Access the File tab. Click on the File tab in the top left corner of the Word window. This will take you to the Backstage view. Step 3. Go to Options. In the Backstage view, select Options at the bottom of the navigation pane. This will open the Word Options dialog box. Step 4. Navigate to Customize Ribbon. Within the Word Options dialog box, find and click on the Customize Ribbon tab on the left-hand side. Step 5. Locate the main tabs. On the right side of the Word Options dialog box, you'll see a list of main tabs. Scroll down until you find the Draw tab. Step 6. Check the Draw tab. Check the box next to the Draw tab to activate it in the ribbon. Step 7. Click OK. Once you've selected the Draw tab, click OK at the bottom of the Word Options dialog box to apply the changes. Step 8. Find the Draw tab in the ribbon. Return to the Word window and locate the ribbon at the top of the screen. You should now see the Draw tab among the other tabs. Step 9. Start using the Draw tab. Click on the Draw tab to access the various drawing and inking tools that Word offers. This tab is particularly useful for creating illustrations, diagrams, or adding handwritten notes to your documents. Conclusion. Congratulations! You've successfully shown the Draw tab in Microsoft Word by customizing the ribbon. Take advantage of the drawing tools to enhance your document creation and make your work more visually appealing. Hiding ink in Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word offers a variety of tools for working with digital ink, allowing you to annotate and mark up your documents. In this tutorial, we will focus on the Hide Ink feature in the Ink group under the Review tab. Step 1. Open your document. Start by opening the Microsoft Word document containing the digital ink annotations you want to manage. Step 2. Navigate to the Review tab. Click on the Review tab located in the ribbon at the top of the Word window. Step 3. Access the Ink group. Within the Review tab, locate the Ink group. This group contains tools for working with digital ink, such as pens and highlighters. Step 4. Click on Hide Ink. In the Ink group, you will find the Hide Ink option. Click on it to toggle the visibility of the digital ink annotations in your document. Step 5. View or hide annotations. Once you click Hide Ink, Word will either hide or display the digital ink annotations based on their current state. If the ink is currently visible, it will be hidden, and vice versa. Step 6. Continue editing or reviewing. With the digital ink annotations hidden, you can continue editing or reviewing your document without the distraction of the ink. This is particularly useful when you need a clearer view of your document's content. Step 7. Reveal ink, optional. If you want to reveal the ink annotations again, simply click on Hide Ink once more. This toggle functionality allows you to switch between viewing and hiding ink as needed. Step 8. Save changes. If you've made any adjustments to the visibility of ink annotations, make sure to save your document to preserve these changes. Congratulations! With the completion of this tutorial, you now possess the skills to protect and restrict editing in Microsoft Word, providing a robust mechanism to control document modifications and collaborations. Additionally, you've learned how to seamlessly manage digital ink annotations by utilizing the Hide Ink feature. This allows for a focused and distraction-free review of your document. Whether safeguarding your content or enhancing your editing experience, these features empower you to wield Microsoft Word more effectively in your document management endeavors. Happy editing!